Is that oil that dirty?
That's nasty.
Is it dirty like some of the girls you've been with?
No. All my girls have been clean, bro. Just because the one... Never mind. Yeah?
Yeah. Alright, so you gotta undo that. That's your next step.
So it says that is... I think it's a B12. I think 10's too small.
I bet you it's...
7/16 or half.
It's half. I'm betting you it's half.
Well, you know what the sad part is? I don't know my half-inch wrench is.
So we need 1, 2...
Is the one up there, way up there, too?
There's one in here. 3, 4. There's 4. So, yeah, you gotta go ahead and undo those.
Okay.
Get that out of here.
You use like a hard drive, maybe.
Yeah, you're gonna need to use that. Or maybe your pass-through set.
Ah! See?
Get that out of here.
That's sticking with your dipstick, John.
And we will go from there.